ruling by the pharmaceutical watchdog about Pfizer, particularly their senior executives, using social media back in 2020, before the formal licensing of their COVID vaccine, to say basically it's brilliant and make loads of claims about it that simply weren't true. And they've finally been wrapped over the knuckles for it. Is this a little bit too late, too little?
Well, yeah, what's happened here is that a senior executive in Pfizer in the UK tweeted a study about the conclusions prior to marketing approval, and that's a breach by promoting an unlicensed medicine. You can't do that. It's if you do that, you're breaking the law. You can get a fine or you can actually get imprisonment. What's interesting about, though, is the derisory fine that actually Pfizer received. It was £34,800. Now, to put that into context, in 2021, on the back of the vaccines, Pfizer earned in excess of 81 billion in revenues. So the fine is roughly about 17 seconds worth of those revenues. Yeah. It's like asking you to say, Julia broke the law, it'll cost you 1 pence. Yeah. Now, the thing is, this is not unusual because Pfizer has had 6 breaches throughout the COVID pandemic. And it was only in November 2022 when their chief executive was promoting childhood vaccines and actually giving information that was misleading. And for that, he was also seen to be in breach of the code. So the problem here is what's called the Prescription Medicines Code of Practice Authority is a self-regulatory body. It sort of gives you a little slap on the wrist, but it certainly does nothing to stop the practice. And what we've seen is the company comes out and the executive in the UK said it was unintentional and accidental. Nothing about the way the industry operates is that unintentional and accidental. This is about getting out there the information in a world where the amount of money to be made is huge.